Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, the types module allows you to create C-compatible data types and call functions in dynamic link libraries/shared libraries. If you're working with arrays using types and need to assign values to a zero-length array, it's important to understand how to handle such cases. Below is an informative tutorial with a code example on how to assign values to a zero-length array defined by types in Python 3. When working with types in Python, you might encounter situations where you need to deal with zero-length arrays. Assigning values to such arrays requires a specific approach. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to assign values to a zero-length array using types in Python 3. Make sure you have the types module installed. If not, you can install it using. Start by importing the types module in your Python script. Create a structure that includes a zero-length array. For example, let's define a structure representing a point in 2D space with a flexible array member. ChatGPT. Certainly. In Python, the types module provides a way to create C-compatible data types and call functions in dynamic link libraries/shared libraries. When working with zero-length arrays in types, you might encounter scenarios where you need to assign values to these arrays. Here's a tutorial on how to do that with code examples. Let's start by creating a simple C structure with a zero-length array. Now, let's create a shared library from the C code. Save the code above in a file named sample_struct.h and then compile it. Now, let's create a Python script using types to work with this shared library and assign values to the zero-length array. Explanation. Remember to adjust the file paths and names according to your setup. This example assumes that the shared library is in the same directory as the Python script. When you run the Python script, you should see output like. This demonstrates how to assign values to a zero-length array defined by types in Python. ChatGPT.